What up, Austin? I'm Dirk, and I'm inviting all of you out to support me and Dell Children's Hospital in the Mama Foos Chili for Charity Pepper Eating Challenge. Not sure if you've heard of this or not, but it's a chili pepper eating contest, and each pepper eaten raises money for a certain charity. My charity is Dell Children's Hospital, supporting our local children. Come out and watch me. It's January 20th from 1 to 3. I'll be sacrificing my tongue and probably colon, eating these hot peppers at the Grove in South Park Meadows to celebrate the new chili pepper spice market menu at Mama Foos. It's going to be a lot of fun for y'all watching me, not for me in particular, but I'm going to do it anyway. For more information, log on to chiliesforcharity.com. See you there.